Production in action.
The girl of my dreams, my little sister. What the hell are these emotes? What the? What's that? Okay, that's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. It's Ultimator, thank you. What do we got? What's trending today in the world? Camera cuts to Peter Ducci's face when President Biden jokes about Fox News reporters and vaccinations. Who is Peter Ducci? Am I supposed to know who that is?
We're here to show the country that we're getting through this pandemic. Plus, everyone had to prove they were fully vaccinated and boosted. So if you're at home watching this and you're wondering how to do that, just contact your favorite Fox News reporter. They're all here, vaccinated and boosted, all of them.
Okay, he cannot run for another term. Like, the guy is almost dying. Work reform, treat us better. Bernie Sanders, new moms in Denmark are guaranteed 126 days of paid leave to spend with their newborn. New moms in Canada are guaranteed 119 days. New moms in France are guaranteed 112 days. New moms in the United States are guaranteed 0 days. Let's end this international embarrassment. In my country, Micah, if a woman works less than a year, if a woman working less than a year gets pregnant, she's entitled to at least 6 weeks paid maternity leave. I captured a huge eruption on the sun yesterday. That looks pretty small though. Wait, how can you film the sun? Wouldn't it be very bright? This must be fake. It's fake. Airbnb will let staff work from anywhere without a pay cut. Okay, don't really care. What is this? Barracuda Lake, Philippines. Very cool. But you're not looking through your eyes. This is a lens, so this is cheating. The water's not that clean. It is? I've been there, it isn't. Understandable, bro. Funny.
How many genders are there?
I don't know. I just got here.
The shirt I ordered versus the shirt I received. You can be anything in the world, blah blah blah. Where's the next page? What is this side? Whatever. Russia's killed twice as many in Mariupol than Nazi Germany did. Mayor. Set up charcuterie board for Magic Gathering night with friends. No one came. What the hell is a charcuterie? Is that ketchup? Is that blackberries? Why the hell are there blackberries here? What is that? Is that the famous Kokona s'mores? Or what is that? I always want to try s'mores. Milano cookies. This company going above and beyond. Fuck cancer. Ordered balloons for my mummy finishing chemo on Tuesday saying fuck cancer and got this morning. We have refunded your order because we agree with your balloons, so don't worry, the balloons are still on the way to you. You used the refunded money to get some cake? I am smart. 5-year-old me creating a new element with the shampoos in bathroom. Not relatable. Sleeping on the job with this pillow. Congo nun overcomes blackout by building hydroelectric plant for her community. Wait, how do you build that? She built her own hydroelectric plant. What? What kind of computer is this? This is massive. What the hell is this massive computer? I mean, what's even in it? If it's this old, it's gonna be garbage, and how can it be this big? What even takes size in an old computer? I don't even remember.
Avec le courant qu'on produit pour l'école, là nous estimons que nous formons la jeunesse. Et avec le courant que nous donnons à l'hôpital, là nous estimons que nous servons la population parce que nous sommes aussi pour les plus pauvres. C'est à l'hôpital que nous rencontrons les pauvres.
Just put solar panels. You got your answer. White people Twitter. I'm socially liberal, but fiscally conservative. What do you think when you hear that? I don't want the gay homeless man to die because he's gay. I want him to die because he's homeless. So apparently standing this close to a 380 feet waterfall is a thing. Devil's Pool at Victoria Falls. Oh my god. What a fucking moron. I think I experienced anxiety for the first time in my life. Is this what Zoomer feels like?
What are you doing?
I mean, it's one thing when you see people sitting next to a cliff, but you're also being pushed by the water now. That's like a next level of scariness. What if you slip? Like, it's water, so it might be slippery as well. You're being pushed, it's slippery, you're next to the fucking cliff. Actual Giga Chad. She might be tied to something. True. Come on, I'm ready. Me walking through the back doors knowing full well I'm about to die. I just want to see some cool monsters. I don't get it, actually. Wow. Very cool. Yeah, she must have had something tied to her, actually. School sucks. Fuck work. Relatable. Relatable. I have to work every fucking day. Apes together strong. This wild orangutan tried to save a man from a snake-infested pond, believing that he was in danger. The man was actually there to remove snakes from the pond to keep the ape safe. This ape made repeated attempts to help the man by reaching out his hand so he could pull him out. The ape saving the man saving the apes. Aren't man ape? This is a hold up. When you buy a clock from Iraq, 10. 9:59. Actually, good meme. And mildly racist, which makes it funnier. I don't get it. Well, you see, usually a clock goes up in time, and when a clock goes down in time, something bad happens when it reaches 0. That's the joke. The perfect metaphor for student loan forgiveness doesn't exist. I beat cancer. If they suddenly find a cure for cancer now, I'm gonna be so mad. This tweet is about student loans. Check the comments. Okay. Woman avoids jail for voting dead mom's ballot in Arizona. Cheating with votes? That should be a firing squad, in my opinion. Abusing voting should be a firing squad on her. Both McKee and her mother, Mary Arendt, were registered Republicans, although she was not asked if she voted for Trump. She died 2020, 2 days before early ballots were mailed to voters. Derpy cat. Guys, it was black Twitter, black people Twitter, so it's okay. Okay. Today I learned that Muhammad Ali painted his friend Joe Frazier as an Uncle Tom. Blah blah blah, too much text. Very cool. Reminded it's not a new movement. Anti-work. Demand a 30-hour week. Anti-work. He a real one. Too much text. Too much text. Verrk playing with his Alfredo Admiral Habibi. Nothing would kill you, though. Too many videos. There's too many videos of people having dangerous animals that end up killing them. Admiral, haha, when people say go to hell, but you know it's a nice town in Norway. Sir thoughts, perfect heist too. Old game. Online PvP, online co-op. No. Why did Bullock turn into a weeb? View poll. Bulldog was always a weeb. He's just playing to be a weeb to bait E's money. Bulldog saw new anime girls like Annie and Gura. Art showed Bulldog his lolly collection last time they met. Bulldog used anime to fill void after Ray left. It's none of these. I mean, it's this plus to pretend to be a weeb for women. Because some women like it, so you just pretend. I'm not actually a weeb. For learning purpose, no ban, please. Raven Crow. Okay. So when I was saying Raven and Crow, there's some, like half the chat was like blah blah blah. That's not a crow, they're way bigger, blah blah blah, they're the same size. Almost. Almost. I'm still waiting for the video though. Like, where's the video? Like what I was saying was the raven or crow, whatever, in the video was very large. You know how there's some males that are like 170, weigh 50 kilo, and then there are some males that are over 2 meters, weigh 200 kilo. There's variance in every species. So in that video, I pointed out that this was a very large crow or raven. And then some people disagreed. I was like, wait, what? So link the video again. Link the video and we can analyze the video again. But you don't. Following on his wife's hoodwink's deathbed. Sorry for dropping these nuts in your mouth. Okay. How about I pick God of War? Wait, isn't that Omega heavy? Like, oh, how much does this weigh? That must be pretty damn heavy. Blah blah blah. Yeah, link the crow video, and we'll have an analyze of it. More geek love, of course. Spider.
I love you, sir, but the ignorance in some of your comments make me wonder
Can
if
you give me
you're
a quick
actually just
explanation?
pretending for content or not.
Raven and crow, the difference. I'm not interested in the difference between raven and crows. What the hell is wrong with you guys? Sweet lord. I need to find it myself. It was one of these videos. It was one of these videos. This? Fine, we're finding it.
How'd you beat this man?
Let's analyze. Let's see if I was wrong or not. No. No. No, I might skip it. You're never wrong. That's wrong. I mean, it's true. No, no. Check those. No, so there was a, basically it was a video with a raven and it was like, oh, that was pretty big raven, and then chat just lost their fucking mind for some reason. No, that's a normal size one. I was like, no, it wasn't. It was a big one. And then chat went all actually. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where is it? I can't find it. Wasn't a video on LEDDIT? I don't know. Oh, here it is. Someone found it. Let's have a look. Finally, someone useful. So I think everyone here watching this can agree that this one is above average size raven or crow. This one is big. Now I know you're gonna be like, oh, streamer says something. I want to be contrarian. I'm gonna say the opposite. This clearly is above average.
It makes some noises. Yeah.
You're telling me that this is a normal sized crow or raven. It is above average. Anyone who disagrees with it is just wants to be a little edgy. There's no one reasonable who will say, oh, this is a normal sized one. It is not. It's above average. The end. I was correct. So the guy I permabanned yesterday was worth it. It is above average. The end. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. See what's trending today? Dude perfect. Google Doodles. What it could
Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling yung namatunaw ang taba. Giling-giling.